Whenever I do this one, nasatisfy ako ang inner child. Aside from dancing, makeup pose though. We're gonna do today, Victoria's Secret fashion show man. That's what we're gonna do. Atong suwayan kung ma-achieve pa siya. Grabe na ko ang guys. Addiction sa gadgets. Napo ko light from Olanzi. Then back to back pa na siya. Perfect! Hayag na kayo siya. Kita ko na ko ang mga dark spots. It's showing me 35 years old. Anyways, what we're gonna do first kay mag-contact lens ta. Wow, 1 minute. Bah. Sa mga videos na ako nakita, ang Victoria's Secret kay pag-glowing na sila and then sometimes ka na more siya. Ikan sa beach, tani yung ilang aura. Mag-primer ita. Actually, I don't see the point of doing a primer because it's not going out anyway. I'm just doing this one here at home. After doing ako ra sa papaon. Ano sila? Primer is para daw ni long lasting daw. But pero grabe kasi no. I don't know if we're gonna do a full coverage or something. Soft focus illuminator by nature. Okay, mag-experiment ta. I'll put this first and then we'll try some coverage. Foundation ta. Actually, baka ang Victoria's Secret na look. Don't make a mess. Nalobat siya. Baka natagsuga. Mayday, mayday. Color corrector concealer. Actually, color correcting, giving the pita ng dark circle. Conceal, conceal. Conceal natin mga dark spots. Asa pa man? Milas ma. Hindi ko kay bang mo makeup. Muna kong nabatay na sa mga duguyan na siya. Ano ko kay bang? Not really a skill of mine. No? Kasi makalimutan ko. Powdering. Hindi sakto na pagbutas powder. Contour. Ako ipanipis bigyan ko ilang. Wow. Ano ba ng angel? Dili pa rin sa forehead. Pag yun ang agtang. Mabalik bigyan ko sa pagka-Korean na makeup style. As in contouring ba sila sa VS? Ano akong panipis sa ilong? It's getting dark in here. Next, guys. Bronzer. Gamitin yung bronzer nila din. Sa lustrous na bronzer. Kung kayo siya, pigmented. No! What are you doing? You don't know what you're doing anymore. Yeah, I agree. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's trust the process, ladies. What are you saying, ladies? It's just you. Oh, diffuse na siya. Parang-arang na siya. Blush. Ito siya sa glan. Isa pa. Parang pa. Ay, ay, ay. Sahay, no? Ako na lang siya gamitin pang papa. Powder para banta pa. Murag na lang kasi sa'yo pang panahon na. And that's okay. Murag, it's not giving me the look. Feel? Ay! Hungry! Let's erase. Kapag siya isog. Murag, di nakakibaw. Can we just sleep? Can we? Champagne. Tayo na sila. The looks. Iba ko kaganyo. Because it's not giving me the look. Hi, we're back with the look. Oh, my wrinkles. They're really coming out. There's one more thing that I wanted to do. I want to nipis my ilong pa. Let's put some highlighter. Ang VS mo it's all about glow. So, okay. Need some highlights inner. Which one do you think is nude? Hindi. May pa ako? It doesn't look nude actually. We'll try this. Oh, there are nude. Ato ilisan ang color sa suga. Kadito na siyang buhukang na yung ana.